In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can expand over a single bracket. In a previous video that I'll link here, we explored how we could use the claw method in order to expand out a single bracket, and that's what I'll use in this video. So looking at the example on the left hand side, I need to expand out 3x times 7x add 8, and then expand negative 6x lots of 7x minus 2. So really, there are two problems that I need to solve here. So looking at 3x lots of 7x add 8 times 3x by 7x will give 21x squared. And 3x times by 8 would give 24x. Looking at the right hand side of the problem, I've got negative 6 times 7x, which will give negative 42x squared, and also negative 6x times by negative 2, which will give me 12x. So I've now answered the first part of the problem, expand, and the next bit is that I need to simplify by collecting like terms. I can see that I've got two terms that have x squared in it. 21x squared take away 42x squared will give negative 21x squared. Then I've got 24x plus 12x. This will give 36x. So I've now expanded and simplified the original problem. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So seeing this as two separate problems because I've got 3x times 4x plus 4, then I'm adding on 5x lots of 6x minus 1. 3x times 4x will give 12x squared. 3x times by 4 will give me 12x. 5x lots of 6x will give 30x squared, and 5x times negative 1 will give me negative 5x. Now that I've expanded, let's simplify. So I've got 12x squared plus 30x squared. This will give 42x squared. And 12x minus 5x will give 7x. I've now expanded and simplified the original problem.